If your customer often places order over phone calls, you must know how challenging it could be handling all the details. Manual data entry, misheard information can cause delay and confusion while creating order in the ERP. What if we can solve this whole scenario by an AI orchestrated workflow? Welcome to another demo video of appse, where we are going to address this particular problem and automate this whole scenario. You don't need to worry about the order that have been placed over phone call because that will be automatically created in the ERP directly from the call recording. So let's see how this workflow works in real life. Welcome to another demo video of appse. In this demo, we'll explore how SAP Business One can harness the power of AI-driven voice processing to automate your order management. By leveraging real-time voice data, our integration automatically extracts the crucial order information such as product names and quantities directly from the customer calls. This seamless process eliminates the need for manual data entry, reducing errors and enhancing accuracy. Watch as we automate the entire flow from order capture to creation of draft sales order in the ERP. So this is the workflow that I have designed, which will sync the sales order directly from the customer call recording. So it will capture a call recording, identify the order details, the line item, the quantity, and eventually we will create a draft sales order under that particular customer in SAP Business One. So I have the recent call recording which I have recorded just now, which has the details of the order. The customer places a sales order like this way. So it has the mention of the quantity as well as the line item. This is the call recording. Hello, good afternoon. My customer ID is BS440. I want to place order for two quantities of Jabra headphones, four quantities of Lenovo ThinkPad, and two iPhone 16. Thank you. So now the workflow is this one. So I will do a run once of this entire workflow. So first node is the HTTP node from where we are getting the transcription of the call recording, which we are utilizing to get the key details of the order. And then at the end, it is creating a draft sales order in the SAP Business One. So there are two subparts of this entire flow. First one is the part where it identifies the number from which number the call has been placed. It is exactly the same number that is present in the ERP for that particular customer. So it identifies that customer from the number and creates a sales order. And the next part is that where the flow doesn't find the number matching in the ERP. So it can't find the customer from the phone number. So it uses the customer ID that the customer mentions over the call, and with it, it identifies the particular business partner in the ERP and eventually creates a sales order. So the first sub part got executed, and if I just check in the last node of SA Business One, we have a draft sales order that got created. So this is the company MTS International. So the number from where the call has been done is the same number that this business partner have in the ERP. So if we just check it in the SA Business One, we get a clear idea of it. So the ID was DOCNUM was 10061. If we just go and check the DOCNUM, yes, it is 10061. And if I just open it, so we have that draft sales order with the line item that the customer mentions in the call he wants to place an order with, and we have the total pricing. So if I just go to the customer and showcase you the details, So this is the number from where the call has been placed. So once we go to this node where it identifies with the number, so here is the number. So it identifies and fetches that particular customer from SAP Business One and eventually creates the sales order for that particular customer. So now for the next part, I will remove the number so we can use the customer ID that is also mentioned in the call recording, which we are using to create the sales order. So now in this time, it won't find the number so exactly matching to the business partner. So it will use the customer ID and then identify the business partner master data in SAP and then create a draft sales order. So I'm updating it. Now I will do run once again for this flow and you will see the next part of the flow gets executed. This sub part. So here if I just go to the last node of SAP and we can see the sales order have been created. And if I just go to our SAP, yes, this is the last draft sales order that got created. Exactly the similar one, but this time the next sub part got executed. So if I just go to this JSON converter after the OpenAI node, we'll get to see the details that the OpenAI node is fetching for us, the customer ID, call ID, and the line item along with the quantity. So basically, this is the workflow that I have designed to sync a sales order from a call recording. Thank you for watching this video.